Get him up there, trying to jump up there. You gotta, just like you do in the squat, you gotta evenly distribute the weight, It's like you're carrying them out of a burning building, evenly distribute the weight. 25, other guy, 25. 25 is nothing. Wait, but that's the bicep, right? Yeah, right? Try the leg. Make sure everything is the body weight. I'm telling you, you're good. Good job. So now you're like this. So now I'm going to go like this. Basically, that's what you do want to come back. Why you can't be so hard? Like this. No. Well, you can carry. All right, 25. Not so deep, Yeah, not so deep. Level 25? No. 8. Well, you're almost there. If your 8 is close, your 8 is closer than 25 is nothing. Wait, but that's the bicep, right? Yeah, right? Try the leg. Knee straight. This side you do. Slight bend. You're going to push at the knee. You're going to go closer, like closer to the knee. Your feet can't touch the ground. You go like this. You go down, side, side. That's one. That's one. You got 10. All right. Middle, side, side, 2. Middle, side, side, 3. Middle, side, side, 4. Middle, side, side, 5. Middle, side, side, 6. Middle, side, side, 7. Middle, side, side, 8. Middle, side, side, 9. Middle, side, side, 10 to the other guy. Because I'm breaking down. This way here. This way. This way. My left is there. Now, you gotta look at what you're doing. Now I'm good.